Welcome back to the show. As we wind down from summer, did you know now is the perfect time to have maintenance done on your furnace? At Clark's Mechanical, they're ready to help you get that head start and make sure things that go wrong this fall and winter don't go wrong. Kenny is live there this morning. All right, Kenny, what you learning?
I'm learning all sorts of things this morning, Krista, especially not to procrastinate because Fred is joining us. He's the owner of Clark's Mechanical. We don't want to procrastinate this fall, do we, Fred?
No. I feel that we're probably going to have one of our worst winters this year.
Yes,
so.
That's what they've been saying, right?
Right. So, making sure that you get on things before, we get this cold weather is the best thing.
So when it comes to heaters and heating in your home, obviously maintenance is a big part of making sure that nothing breaks, right?
Right.
So walk me through what people are, supposed to do. Because typically I'm a procrastinator. I think it's a great reminder.
Okay, no. Just like anything else, like your car, you don't buy a brand new car and drive it every day and never change the oil, right? What'll happen? It'll have issues. Same thing with the furnace. Some of the reasons you want to maintain your furnace is one, it keeps up the warranty. So if you just got a newer system, to maintain the warranties on the equipment, you need at least a yearly maintenance. Not only you can catch a lot of things that might happen during a downtime. And they always happen the worst time. Family's over.
Yes.
2 o'clock in the morning, everybody's closed, banks are hard to open. That's when usually you have your breakdowns. By doing the maintenance, staying on top of it, not only will help the breakdowns, keep your warranty, but also maintain and give you longevity out of the unit.
Sure.
Also, your efficiency. If your unit is not maintained and it's dirty, your filter's dirty, it's working harder. Therefore, not only will it break down faster, you'll run up your utility bills. And like I said, nobody likes to be in -10 and trying to call me, at 2 o'clock in the morning.
So how often should you have things looked at then?
At least if you have just a furnace only, I would say once a year before you're about to start. Fall, September, October is a really good time to try to get it in. Especially before the holidays, because the holidays are in November, December, January. Now, if you have furnace and AC, of course, fall time for your furnace, springtime, April, May for your AC.
Cool. And there's a lot going on too with like newer units and older units too, right? You're seeing a lot of that down here in Pueblo.
Right. So we're adopting new energy efficiency standards here in Colorado. Because of that, the cost of equipment is going to go skyrocket in 2027.
Wow.
We just had a 7% increase across the board on a lot of major manufacturers. No matter who we are, you could use us or another company. Everybody's eating it. Because of these new energy standard efficiencies that they're going with, our basic efficiency 80%ers are no longer going to be valid come 2027.
Oh gosh.
We can only install them as long as supplies last. And let me tell you, they are running out. Also, the biggest issue is going to be for modulars. So because modular furnaces, they don't make an ultra low knock furnace, or they do not make a high enough efficiency rating appliance, we no longer can do gas after 2027.
Wow.
We'll have to actually go in with electric and a heat pump. So therefore, there's a lot of these modulars I'll have to do a lot of electrical updates to be able to put this equipment in there to heat and cool their homes properly.
Well, and what I like about your team too is they're always on top of it. You guys are always ready to go. Fred was even working on something right before we went live. Busy schedule, don't you?
Yes. Between our client base we have here in Pueblo, we also serve El Paso County, and we also do the southern part of Trinidad. We do go into La Junta when we're a little bit slower. A lot of times, Wassenberg. We have a lot of clients over there that was affected by the fires. We've been trying to help them out. So we service Southern Colorado. We're very proud of that.
Definitely. Well, hey, Fred, obviously you can see phone number that can just call you. And Krista, again, everyone watching, get on it. Call up Fred at Clark's Mechanical. Get your stuff replaced or looked at just to make sure nothing goes wrong come the winter.
Wonderful, Kenny. Thank you so much. Also, a big thank you to Clark's Mechanical for making this segment possible.